Hey guys, so welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to get full screen Brave browser. So first thing that you will do is you can just simply go ahead and open up your Brave browser into your computer. And now over here, just simply select one of your profile or user. And from here, you just simply go ahead and press F11 into your keyboard. F11, and you should go to the full screen. Now, if it doesn't work out, you just simply select the three lines on the top right corner, and you will have the option over here, the full screen. It will be on the zoom category, as you can see over here. Select the full screen over here, and as you can see, we should be able to utilize the Brave into a full screen. And if you want to exit, just simply tap on escape on your keyboard in order for you to exit out the full screen. And you can also go to the top over here, and you should be able to see the X icon to exit out the full screen if the escape button is not going to exit your full screen. And pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.